Hello everyone, I'm Saraswati from Coding Upgrade, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a professional blog for free in WordPress. So to do this we will need a plugin. Let's check the website. Do we have any blog page or we need to create one? As you can see here in this website, we don't have a blog page. So we need to create one. To create a page, we can go to Pages. Here, do you see any blog? No. Create one. Now we should add a title for this page, which is blog, and make sure you don't have any other blog page, otherwise it will add some random numbers after this word. So it is perfectly okay, and now publish it. Publish. Now let's check the page. It's perfectly okay, and now we need to add this to our main menu on the top of our website. Let's go to dashboard and appearance menu. When you come here, make sure you have chosen the primary menu, because if we add the blog page to this menu, it will be shown in the footer section. Now I want to choose this one and click on select, and now I want to add the blog page. If you don't see the blog page which you have created, you can click on here and find the page you have created. And now I can drag and change the position of this menu, this page. Now save. Now let's refresh the main page. The blog page is added. Now it's time to create some random blog posts. So I want to pause the video for a second. I am back, and as you can see here, I have added some blog posts on my website, and let's check the blog section. Because it is not shown here, because we need to do something. Go to settings. I think it's in rating. Yeah, blog posts page. So we should choose our blog post page, in which page the blog post should be shown. Now choose the blog one and save. Now let's go back and refresh. Nice. So I don't have any photos on this blog post. Now I want to add some photos to this blog post, so we can see how it will be shown. Go to posts, and edit the blog post. To add a featured image, go to post section. So let's add some featured image. We have added some featured image to our blog posts, and now let's check the blog post. Look, it is shown. All the posts are shown here, but it's not looking nice. We will need a plugin, which is premium add-ons for Elementor. Go to plugins and add new. And if you want to use a free version of premium add-ons for Elementor, that's completely okay, and if you want to purchase that, you can purchase it anytime, and the link and the plugin link is also available in the video description. And this one is the plugin we will need. Install this. Activate it. Now go to settings, and it is already activated. Now let us check the blog page. There is no change here because we need to do one more thing. Let's go to settings, go to reading, and deselect the posts blog because we are trying to add a customized blog page to our website. And save it. Now go to blog page and refresh it. There is no blog posts here, as you can see. Now the blog posts are gone because we need to take one extraction in this page. Edit this page. Edit with Elementor. Now search here for blog. It's from premium add-ons, which you can see the letter PA. Drag and drop it. And now you can see the blog post here. You can customize it. You can change the skin of it to like banner or cards or the classic one, which I really like this one. Let's save it. Apply the changes and publish. Now let's check the website again. Go to blog. Wow, it's pretty nice. It's so professional and good looking blog for our website. I hope this video was useful for you and you learned something from this one, and I hope you subscribe to this channel and learn more about WordPress, web development and programming. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good time.